Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. This is your maths teacher Shweta Bajaj.
Now students, we are going to continue with the chapter number 14, Mensuration. Before starting, subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet. And don't forget to share and like the video. And please mention your name, class and section in the comment box for attendance. In the previous video, we have learnt about the perimeter, and perimeter is the length of the boundary of any regular or irregular figure, and the sum of all sides of a polygon is called its perimeter. And to find the perimeter of a polygon, suppose the polygon is a triangle having the sides A, B and C, then its perimeter will be given by P is equals to A plus B plus C. Suppose the polygon is a square having the side S, then its perimeter will be given by P is equals to 4 multiplied by S. And suppose the polygon is a rectangle having the length L and the breadth W, then its perimeter will be given by P is equals to 2 multiplied by L plus 2 multiplied by W. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next topic is formula for perimeter of regular polygons, and the formula is P is equals to N multiplied by S, where N is the sum of the sides and S is the sides, and the unit of perimeter will be same linear unit used to measure the polygon's sides. Next topic is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle, and circumference of a circle is also known as the perimeter of a circle. Now when diameter is given to us, we use the formula C is equals to pi d, and when the radius is given to us, then we use the formula C is equals to 2 pi r, where C is the circumference, R is the radius, D is the diameter, and the value of pi we will take as 22 by 7 unless stated. Next topic is area, and it says that it is a measure of the flat surface enclosed by a closed curve. It can be a triangle or a rectangle or a circle or any other closed figure. Next topic is finding area using squared paper, and steps are shown here to find the area of any geometrical figure on a squared paper. Step number 1 says that count the number of whole squares. The area of each whole square is 1 square unit. Step number 2 says that count the half squares and take 2 half squares as 1 square unit. Step 3 says that count all the more than half squares as 1 square unit. Step 4 says that count all the less than half squares as 0 square unit. Now let us do one example based on it. Now in an example, one letter A has been shown to us. In this letter A, we are having 14 whole squares. If you will count, we will be having 14 whole squares, and on counting, we will be having 2 half squares, and 2 halves make 1 whole square. So the area of this figure will be equals to 14 plus 1 square units, that is equals to 15 square units. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now let us learn some more about the area units, and meter multiplied by meter is equals to meter square. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter is equals to centimeter square. Kilometer multiplied by kilometer is equals to kilometer square, and 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. Next topic is area of a rectangle, and area of a rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. We use this formula to find the area of the rectangles. Now let us do some questions based on it. Now question number 2 of exercise 14b says that Find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions have been given below. And the first part is L is equals to 27 centimeter and B is equals to 15 centimeter. Now, students, you know that area of a rectangle is equals to L multiplied by B. That means length multiplied by breadth. Here L is 27 centimeter and B is 15 centimeter. And on multiplying 27 centimeter and 15 centimeter, we will get 405 centimeter square as in area. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is third part of the same question, and in this L is equals to 13.9 centimeter and B is equals to 11.2 centimeter. And you know that area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. That means L multiplied by B. Therefore, 13.9 centimeter multiplied by 11.2 centimeter will gives us 155.68 centimeter square as in area. Hopefully, this is also clear to you. Next is question number 6, and it says that we need a cover for dining table measuring 320 centimeter in length and 220 centimeter in breadth with an overhang of 6 centimeter all round the table. What should be the dimensions of the cloth required to cover the table? Calculate the areas of the dining table and the cloth cover you choose for it. And in the solution, firstly, we will talk about the dining table. And in the dining table, the length of the dining table is 320 centimeter and the breadth of the dining table is 220 centimeter. So that means it is rectangular in shape. Now firstly we will find out the area of the dining table, and you know that area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So the area of the dining table is also equals to length multiplied by breadth. That means 320 centimeter multiplied by 220 centimeter, and on multiplying we will get 70,400 centimeter square as in area of dining table. Now let us talk about the cloth cover, and this cloth cover is hanging 6 centimeter all round the table. So that means in the length 6 centimeter from left and 6 centimeter from right will be added. So the length of the cover will become 6 centimeter plus 320 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, that is equals to 332 centimeter. And also in the breadth, 6 centimeter from the top and 6 centimeter from the bottom will be added. So the breadth will become 6 centimeter plus 220 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, and that is equals to 232 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the cover also, and this cover is also in rectangular shape, and area of cover will be given by length multiplied by breadth. So that means 332 centimeter multiplied by 232 centimeter, and on multiplying it we will get 77,024 centimeter square as in answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 7, and question number 7 says that the area of rectangular park is 12,750 square meter. What is the breadth of the park if its length is 150 meter? Now in the solution, let L be the length and B be the breadth of the park such that L is equals to 150 meter. Now what we have to find out? We have to find the breadth. So that means we have to find B. Now area of the park is given to us, that is 12,750 square meter. Now students, we know that the formula of area of rectangle is L multiplied by B, and this park is rectangular in shape. So here we can write L multiplied by B is equals to 12,750 meter square. Now put the value of L in this equation, and on putting it we will get 150 meter multiplied by B is equals to 12,750 meter square. Now 150 meter is multiplying here, on shifting it will divide. That means B is equals to 12,750 meter square upon 150 meter, and on solving it, this meter and meter will be cancelled out and the 0 and 0 will be cancelled out, and on dividing 1275 by 15 we will get 85 as in answer. So this means B is equals to 85 meter. Therefore, breadth of the park is 85 meter. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 10, and question number 10 says that the floor of school exhibition hall is fully covered by 8 carpets. 3 carpets have dimensions 12 meter by 8 meter each, 3 6 meter by 4 meter, and the remaining 2 4 meter by 3 meter. What is the area of the school exhibition hall? Now students, in the solution, firstly we will find the area of the 3 carpets having the dimensions 12 meter by 8 meter each, and for this first of all we will find the area of one carpet, and that will be given by length multiplied by breadth. So 12 meter multiplied by 8 meter will gives us 96 meter square, and after finding the area of one carpet we have to find the area of the 3 carpets, and for doing this we will multiply this 96 by 3, and on multiplying 3 by 96 meter square we will get 288 meter square as the area of the first 3 carpets. Now we will find out the area of next 3 carpets, and in this each carpet is having length 6 meter and breadth 4 meter. Now first of all find the area of one carpet, and that will be given by length multiplied by breadth. That means 6 meter multiplied by 4 meter, and on multiplying it we will get 24 meter square. Now this is the area of one carpet. Find the area of 3 carpets, and it will be given by on multiplying 3 by this 24 meter square, and on multiplying it we will get 72 meter square as the area of next 3 carpets. Next we will find out the area of the remaining 2 carpets, and here the length of each carpet is 4 meter and the breadth of each carpet is 3 meter, and the area of one carpet will be given by length multiplied by breadth, and on multiplying 4 meter by 3 meter we will get 12 meter square, and to find the area of 2 carpets we will multiply this 12 meter square by 2, and on multiplying it we will get the area of 2 carpets as 24 meters square. Now since the floor of the exhibition hall is fully covered by the carpets, so the area of the school exhibition hall will be given by the sum of the areas of all the carpets, that is equals to 288 meter square plus 72 meter square plus 24 meter square, and on adding this we will get 384 meter square as in answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 13, and question number 13 says that what changes will take place to the area of a rectangle if number 1 its length is trebled and breadth is doubled, and number 2 its length and breadth are halved. Now students, in the solution first of all let L be the length and B be the breadth of original rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle, then this is the L, that is length, and this is the breadth, that is B. Then original area will be equals to length multiplied by breadth, that means L multiplied by B. L multiplied by B means LB. Now first part says that if length is trebled and breadth is doubled. Now trebled means 3 times. So the new length will be equals to 3 times L, that is 3L, 3 times the original length, and doubled means 2 times. So the new breadth will be equals to 2 multiplied by the original breadth, that means 2B. See, this will be the rectangle then, having length 3L and having breadth 2B, and new area will be equals to new length multiplied by new breadth, that means 3L multiplied by 2B, and on solving this we will get 6LB, and this LB means original area, so this means we will get 6 times more than the original area. So new area is 6 times more than the original area. Now second part says that if length is halved and breadth is halved, then new length will be equals to half of the original length, that means half multiplied by L, and new breadth will be equals to half of the original breadth, that means half multiplied by B. And in the figure, this is the half L and this is the half B. And new area will be given by new length multiplied by new breadth, that means half L multiplied by half B. Now half and half will be multiplied. On multiplying half and half, we will get 1 by 4, and L multiplied by B will gives us LB. So this means 1 by 4 times LB, and LB is nothing but the original area. So we will get our answer as 1 by 4 times the original area. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 16, and question number 16 says that the total cost of tiling the floor of a room at rupees 5.75 per square meter is rupees 977.50. If the length of the room is 20 meter, find its breadth. Now students, here in the question it is given that the cost of tiling 1 meter square is equals to rupees 5.75 and total cost of tiling the floor is rupees 977.50. So from this we will find the area of the room, and area of the room will be given by dividing the total cost of tiling the room by cost of tiling 1 meter square. That is 977.50 will be divided by 5.75, and on dividing this we will get 170 meter square as the area of room. Now students, we have got the area of the room, and length of the room is already mentioned in the question, and we have to find the breadth of the room. So let L be the length and B be the breadth of the room such that L is equals to 20 meter, and we have to find B, that is breadth. Now we know that area of a room is equals to 170 meters square, and room is rectangular in shape. You know the formula of area of rectangle, that is L multiplied by B. So L multiplied by B is equals to 170 meter square. In this equation, put the value of L, that is 20 meter. So 20 meter will be multiplied by B is equals to 170 meter square. Now this 20 meter is multiplying here. On shifting, it will divide, and on dividing 170 meter square by 20 meter, we will get 8.5 meter as the breadth of the room. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next topic is area of a square, and it is the number of square units needed to cover the surface of a figure, and its formula is A is equals to S square, or A is equals to S multiplied by S, where S is the side of the square and area is measured in square units. Now here one square is shown to us in which the side of the square is 6 inches. So its area will be given by S square, that is equals to S multiplied by S, and in place of S we will write 6 inches. So we will be having A as 6 inches multiplied by 6 inches. So area is equals to 36 square inches. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now question number 3 says that find the area of the square whose sides are, and the first is 17 centimeter. Now students, you already know that the area of square is equals to side square. Now put the value of side in this formula and you will be having 17 centimeter whole square, and on solving this you will get 17 centimeter multiplied by 17 centimeter, and on multiplying it you will get 289 centimeter square as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is second part of the same question, and the side of the square is given as 29 centimeter. Now students, you already know that the area of a square is equals to side square. Now put the value of side in this formula, and on putting you will get 29 centimeter whole square, and on solving this you will get 29 centimeter multiplied by 29 centimeter, and on multiplication you will get 841 centimeter square as an answer. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Next is question number 4, and question number 4 says that find the area of the following figure. And the first part, see students, in the first part one figure is shown to you, and in this figure if you will join LC, then this ABCL will become a rectangle such that LC is equals to 5 centimeter, and mark this as first part. Now next join IF, and on joining IF, this IFGH will become a square, and KDEJ will become a rectangle. Mark this as second part and mark this as third part. And since this IFGH is a square, therefore IF is equals to 4 centimeter. And to find the length of JE, what we will do? We will add JI plus IF plus FE, that is 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, and that is equals to 9 centimeter. So the length of this second rectangle is 9 centimeter and its breadth is 3 centimeter. Now we will find the area of first part, second part and third part. And first part here is a rectangle. You know that area of rectangle is L multiplied by B, and here L is 5 centimeter and B is 4 centimeter. So area of first part is equals to 5 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, that is equals to 20 centimeter square. Now next we will find the area of the second part, and in second part the L is JE, and the value of JE is already calculated, length of JE is already calculated, that is 9 centimeter. So L is 9 centimeter and B is 3 centimeter. So area of second part will be equals to 9 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter, that is equals to 27 centimeter square. Now next we will find the area of the third part. As you can see, the third part, this third part is a square, and you know that the area of square is side whole square, and here the side of this square is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter whole square. 4 centimeter whole square means 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, that is equals to 16 centimeter square. Now to find the area of this whole figure, we will add all these three areas: area of first part, area of second part and area of third part. And on adding we will get 20 centimeter square plus 27 centimeter square plus 16 centimeter square is equals to 63 centimeter square. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 8, and question number 8 says that if the perimeter of a square field is 1640 meter, find its area. Now students, in the question perimeter of a square is given to you, that is 1640 meter, and you know that the formula of perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by side is equals to 1640 meter. Now this 4 is multiplying here, on shifting it will divide. So side of a square is equals to 1640 by 4 meter, and on dividing it we will get the side of a square as 410 meter. Now since we want to find out the area of a square, and we know that the area of a square is side multiplied by side, so 410 meter multiplied by 410 meter, and on multiplying it we will get 1,68,100 meter square as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 11, and question number 11 says that class 4, 5 and 6 were asked to plant flowers in the school garden measuring 60 meter by 60 meter. Class 4 planted first in an area 30 meter by 30 meter. Class 5 planted in an area measuring 40 meter by 30 meter. What area must class 6 plant so that the entire garden gets covered? So students, here the side of the garden is given to you, that is 60 meters. So first of all find the area of the whole garden, and that will be given by side side multiply by side, that is 60 meter multiply by 60 meter, and on multiplying it we will get 3600 meter square as the area of the school garden. Now in the question it is written that class 4 planted first in an area 30 meter by 30 meter. So area covered by class 4 is equals to 30 meter multiplied by 30 meter, that is equals to 900 meter square. After finding the area planted by class 4, we will find the area planted by class 5, and they have covered the area measuring 40 meter by 30 meter, and on multiplying it we will get 1200 meter square. Now since we want to find out the area planted by class 6, so that will be given by total area minus area covered by class 4 minus area covered by class 5, that is 3600 meter square minus 900 meter square minus 1200 meter square. On solving this we will get 2700 meter square minus 1200 meter square, and on solving this we will get 1500 meter square as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. So students, with this our chapter is over. Now pause your video and note on your home task. And in your home task you have to do the remaining questions of exercise 14b. For any doubts or queries you can leave your message in the comment section. I hope you like the video. Thank you.